Hello everyone, this is Nagiredi, CEO of VaultSphere AI Technologies. So today I'm going to discuss about this Career Accelerator 150 Days program. So in today's competitive job market, many college students facing significant challenges during their campus placements, and despite learning academic knowledge, they often lack in the practical skills, so industry exposure, and then communication abilities and also confidence. So many of the students struggle with aptitude tests, technical interviews, group discussions, resume building, and personal branding. So as a result of this, talented candidates miss valuable career opportunities. So to bridge this gap, we are launching a 150 days career accelerator program, so where this course is designed to make students placement ready. So through this industry focused training, mock interviews, soft skills, and then aptitude and also real world projects. So this program equips students with the skills and confidence needed to secure their dream job in building their successful career. So in this career accelerator program, so we'll be having daily 1 hour live class, and then there will be daily coding challenges, and then real time projects, so where you can mention in your resume, where it's going to boost up your resume. Okay, and then weekly mock interviews will be conducted to each and everyone who's going to join in this 150 days career accelerator program. Along with, in our platform itself, there is one AI career coach, so which is going to suggest you what topics you are going to cover. If you cover these topics, how all these topics are going to be used in MNC questions, I mean MNC exams and all. And then in the same 150 days challenge, we'll be building resume, and we are going to build a LinkedIn profile. Along with that, so we are going with this aptitude and reasoning. So for VaultSphere AI Technologies, there is one dedicated job portal where we are going to give access to all the candidates who's going to join this career accelerator program. Helpana? Okay. So this aptitude session we are going to complete, and then for VaultSphere AI Technologies, there is one job portal which is dedicated to all the students who's going to join in our academy, as well who's going to join in this 150 days career accelerator program. So we are going to give access to this job alerts and drives portal, and then we will be providing 100% placement assistance to all the students which is going to join in our career accelerator program. And then who's going to take this 150 days challenge will be provided with this priority support. Okay, so your 150 days journey will be, you are going to learn and you are going to build a strong foundation, and then you are going to practice daily tasks and the challenges, and then you are going to improve a real world projects, and skill upgradation process is going to happen. And then interview, so mock interviews and the feedbacks. Okay, so how you are performing, everything in the mock interviews will be given to you in the portal itself. And then final stage of this career accelerator is getting placed. As I told you, Wallspear is having a dedicated job portal where we are going to give access to each and everyone. You are going to apply, and then if you are going to shortlist there, you'll be called for interview. Okay, so in this career accelerator 1.0, so around 15,000 students are joined. So this is career accelerator 2.0, and then it has completed like 150 days of content. So last, I mean, so career accelerator 1, so 92% of placement ratio we achieved. And then we are having 500 ship accreditations and the partnerships with the companies. Okay, so coming to the plans of this career accelerator. So this is a basic placement mastery plan. So where there will be like 150 days structural learning, and then aptitude and reasoning we are going to cover, and then English proficiency, obviously like soft skill sessions and all we are going to conduct. And then so here any one of the programming, so in this career accelerator 2.0 we will be concentrating on Java only. And then so data structures and algorithms, so here I wanted to stress one point to each and everyone. So if you wanted to get into a company, obviously data structures is mandatory, and if you wanted to survive in an industry, obviously this data structures is mandatory. So this is what the importance of DSA. And then daily quizzes will be provided, progress tracking will be there, and then course completion or this accelerator completion certificate will be provided in the end of the program. Okay, so this is what the basic plan. So in this plan, like resume builder, ATS scanner, mock interviews, career course, all these things are not there. I mean, not going to be included. So in this mastery pro plan, so whatever there in this basic plan, entire things we are going to give you. And then ATS resume builder. Let me discuss you one point about this ATS resume builder. See guys, like if you want, so you have to change your resume according to the job description, right? So this ATS checker is going to check your resume's ATS score based on the job description. Okay, so this is what this ATS scanner is. So you know, right? In this world, I mean, AI world, almost so your resumes are not going to read by the humans. Obviously, it's going to be read by AIs only. So if you wanted to shortlist your resume, obviously you have to build your resume ATS friendly. Okay, so whatever like your resume ATS score will be provided, and then placement assistance. So here in this basic plan, we are not going to provide you the placement assistance. So here in this Mastery Pro, we are going to provide you the placement assistance. Obviously, for them also will provide, but not up to this. Okay, so priority support will be given to the Mastery Pro plan candidates. Okay, so job alerts and drives, mock interview preparation, AI career coach, priority support, LinkedIn profile review, and referral network access. So all these things we are going to cover in this Career Accelerator 2.0 program.